Well, hi, this is Dr. Will and another how-to video. This time I'm going to be changing a battery on my 2021 Triumph Trident 660. The battery has started to fail recently. The engine's not turning over. I've not been using a trickle charger. Normally I'd leave it for 2 weeks, it would be fine, and now it's not maintaining its power. So I thought I'd have a go. Triumph wanted about £110 to fit the battery. Fully fitted, and I found one online for £40. I phoned a couple of dealers and they said yeah, it's all straightforward, so let's hope for the best. Okay, so the first thing is to take the old battery out. Now they say negative first, negative second, so that means I've got to take the negative terminal first and then put the negative terminal on second. Tricky thing is not to lose the bolts. Quite careful, that's should be staying inside. The old one, I go in that same position. So. Right, it's in. That's in. That's on. So now is the moment of truth. Let's see. So that's all been set up. It tells you that the service is now due. It was due in June. They said I've just got to change the clock, but that was straightforward. I was very reluctant because they said, well, someone said, no, you've got to fiddle with the ECU and it damages this, that and the other. I phoned up a Triumph dealer. They said, no, straightforward swap, just got to change the date afterwards. So job done. It was straightforward. And please, as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and there'll be plenty more videos coming up in the future.